Oh crap, it's the day. The big day. The big day. I gotta go get my accent on. Hello, little mates. Ah, crap, my accent sucks. Dang it, my English is bad too. I'll be right back. G'day, mates. Today I'm gonna show you about the wild world of Tariff. Now, if you will just follow me. Jerry, I swear. Here, you can see a shark being bullied by an orca. Here, you can see a shark being bullied by an orca. Jerry, be sure to cut that part out. Are you filming this part too? Jerry, Listen, please, I promise I won't tell anyone. Fine. Good boy, good girl. Now leave me. Jerry, turn the camera off. Jerry, I swear to gosh. Hush,